시카고 네이비 피어에서 이른바 터십, 대형 범선의 페스티벌이 오는 29일까지 열립니다. 20척 이상의 대형 범선들이 미시건 호수의 멋진 자태를 드러내며 시카고의 시선과 발걸음을 끌고 있는 행사인데요. 역대 최대 규모로 열리는 범선 축제 현장에 뉴스매거진이 한인 뉴스 매체로는 유일하게 다녀왔습니다. 1850년대 범선을 재현한 데니스 설리반호에 직접 승선해 범선 축제의 풍경을 카메라에 담아왔습니다.
But regardless of the size, they wear the same. You simply just have to put your head through the hole. It actually doesn't matter which direction, it's kind of handy. You put the hook on the D-ring, pull nice and snug. I bet you would figure it out if you had to anyway. So we just ask you stay from the masts to this side of the boat. I also ask you do not sit on the cap rail. Most of the human body weight's from the hips up. So there's going to be a lot of movement of the crew, so just be mindful of the crew. They might be moving fairly quickly. We'll try and get you guys into it as much as possible. But let go two!
Go two!
Small boat, go ahead and get in on starboard bow, starboard bow. Hold four.
Hold four.
Going back on four.
There's several commands. One of them is hold. Means you're going to hold. You're not going to move. You're going to keep holding the line.
2, 6! 2, 6!
That's well.
Heave!
Oh!
Heave!
Oh!
We're from Marietta, Ohio, and enjoying it very much. It's just wonderful.
What do you like about this experience?
Oh, I've never been on a boat this big. It's just beautiful.
Oh, it's wonderful. What a great event.
What do you like about this tall ship event?
Just the historic nature of the ships, the being out on the water, and obviously the Chicago skyline is beautiful.
It's a great experience to see the other tall ships, especially on the Parade of Sail. They're just so beautiful to watch and to sail, especially.
I'm loving being on the tall ships here with my sister. Great weather, perfect yesterday and today. It's a lot of fun. You New Englanders, always hitting your horns. Chicago hosts a tall ship festival every time the ships come into the lakes, and this is my third appearance, and I think it's also the Sullivan's third appearance here for the Tall Ship Festival. The sailing is very nice. There's a nice easterly breeze, so we're able to get a lot of sail up, and it should be some good maneuvering. The people on the shore should be able to see some really good sailing. This ship is a replica of what you would have seen on the Great Lakes from 150 years ago, from 1850s to the turn of the century, and these were the freighters of the time.
Most people have never been on a tall ship, so when they get to sail on it, they get the feeling of being part of this big machine that everyone works together to try to make work. They also help set the sails themselves with us, with the crew. So that means they get to be part of the whole machine that makes the boat go. It's not just the wind, it's not just the lines that we pull on, it's not just the sails, but it's them as well. They're a part of the whole thing. Well, if you look up, you see we have all these sails up, but they don't go up unless we haul on a bunch of lines, and that's what we call ropes on boats. So we have things called halyards, and that's what gets the sail up. And the halyards come down and go to these pins. These are called belaying pins. So all that strain is being held by this little piece of wood right here. There's a certain way you have to handle everything, or else bad things happen. All that weight could come crashing down. If there's a lot of wind, we have to be careful, so maybe we have to reduce the amount of sail we have up. This is called the sheet, and with this thing you control how far out the sail is going to be, and that controls the effectiveness of the sail.
For the home way, hey, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes are rolling the pond to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave a ball and heave away, way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's a stored to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Soon we'll be warping her out through the locks, way, hey. Roll and go where the pretty young girls all come down in their flocks to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Come breast your bars and heave away, way, hey, roll and go, and cracking me lads, cause it's hell all the way to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave a boat and heave away, way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cables are stored to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Sing goodbye to Sally and goodbye to Sue, way, hey, roll and go, for we are the boys that kick her on through to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. We're outward bound for Malibu Bay, way, hey, roll and go. You're cracking me lads, cause it's hell all the way to me, rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave a pole and the cables are stored to me rolling